It's zucchini season, so that means it's time to make some stuffed zucchini boats, a family tradition. Have you ever gone to your garden in the morning and discovered that monster zucchinis grew overnight and were lurking in your garden? Well, this is the best way to use those suckers up. Okay, let's take that baseball bat size zucchini and we're gonna parboil those guys in a pan. This one was sort of big, so it didn't quite fit, so I had to move them around a little. But basically, you're gonna steam those suckers until they're fork tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. Now for the filling, we're gonna use 4 slices of white bread. I used hot dog rolls because I had them laying around. Soak those in milk, and then we're gonna add a chopped onion, some ketchup, A1 sauce, Dijon, horseradish sauce, some Worcestershire sauce, 3 eggs, some ciao bella Italian seasoning from Dish Off the Block. You can get that on our website. And then we're gonna add a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. And you know what to do next. We're gonna mixy and bring that all together. By the way, when you remove that zucchini from the water, we put it face down on some paper towels to let it drain and cool. And now that it's cool, we're gonna scrape the innards out from that squash, leaving a shell that's probably about a ½ inch thick. And take the insides and you're gonna put them on paper towels to further drain, and dab each of those shells with a paper towel to soak up any excess moisture. Repeat with the other side and place them on a foil-lined baking sheet. Now you're gonna squish all the water out of that zucchini and add that into your filling mixture. In she goes. Give that a whirl, and then we're gonna add in 1 cup of frozen corn that has been thawed. Mixy one more time, and we're gonna add in about 1.5 pounds of ground beef to the bowl. In go some Italian breadcrumbs, some Parmesan cheese, and a whole bunch of shredded cheese. And now we're gonna We're gonna mix all that together with our hands until you have like a meatloaf mixture that is pretty much come together. Okay, now grab that baking sheet with your zucchini shells, dab them dry one more time, and season with salt and black pepper. Grab that filling mixture and you're gonna mold it right into those zucchini shells until you've used up all the mixture and they're totally filled, just like that. Next, you're gonna top them off with some grape or cherry tomatoes that have been cut in half, and you're gonna bake them at 375 for about 45 minutes to an hour until they're just cooked through. Total time will depend on the size of your zucchini and the thickness of the filling. Garnish with fresh chopped parsley and then cut into slices and devour. Get the full recipe in the caption and follow me for more deliciousness.